What happens when two pregnant women discover they're carrying the same cheating man's babies? 24-year-old Vanessa walks into her routine ultrasound appointment, excited to see her baby for the first time. She sits in the waiting room rubbing her 6-month belly when another pregnant woman walks in. Sarah looks exactly as far along as Vanessa. Same due date and same glow. They exchange polite smiles, both waiting for their appointments. Then the receptionist calls out, "Mrs. Johnson?" Both women stand up at the exact same time. They stare at each other in confusion until Sarah speaks first. "I'm Mrs. Johnson. My husband is Marcus." Vanessa's face goes white. "Marcus Johnson is my boyfriend." The waiting room falls silent as both women realize the truth. They've been dating the same man for over a year, both carrying his children, due just weeks apart. The confrontation that followed became legendary at that medical office. Hell hath no fury like two pregnant women scorned.